Alright guys, I want to show you how to replace a hard drive in a Dell Inspiron 1525. This goes for most Dell laptops. What you'll have is two screws in the bottom left corner. Be right under the front here. Front left corner, whatever you want to call it. Two screws right there, and this just pulls right out. Then you have two screws on the side that also need to be taken out. Just like that. And then make sure you know what orientation and whatnot it goes. So the top of the drive, I got the sticker peeled off this one. It goes just like that. So just take it out, lay it just like that, get your new hard drive. Make sure it's the same way. Slide it in just like that. There that is. Slide it back in. For some reason it's not fitting. It's the same. Oh, there it goes. Huh, that's kind of weird. Usually they just slide right in. And put your two screws back in. And there you have it. It's all done. Reinstall your operating system and you'll be good to go.